So this quick video is going to show you how to log on to Aeries to check your grades and your attendance. So when you're on your Chromebook and you sign in using your username and your password, two tabs typically pop up. One tab is Clever and the other tab looks like this. This is the MUSD student intranet page, and this is where you're going to want to be to access Aeries. So you're going to come over to the left-hand side and you're going to scroll down until you see Aeries Student Portal. You'll click there. And then it's going to ask you for an email address. And your email address is going to be the same username that you just signed in on your Chromebook with, but you're going to add a couple things. So it's typically your first name, last letter of your initial, first name, dot, the dot, and typically it's 4 numbers. That's kind of what your username looks like. And then you're going to add at menifeeusd.org. Now it's really important that you add the at menifeeusd.org to your username. You're going to hit next. And once you hit next, you're going to see another very similar screen like the one you're looking at right now, except this next button will be gone and it'll say sign in with Google. You'll click the sign in with Google and then it will take you to Aeries where you can access your grades and view your attendance.